This is the EvoFox Game Box. It turns your normal TV into a gaming TV in an instant. Setting up your EvoFox Game Box is a super simple process. Simply connect the provided HDMI cable to the Game Box and your TV, plug in the Elite Pro controller's Bluetooth receiver and the remote control's Bluetooth receiver, connect the power adapter, and you're all set. The Elite Pro controller seriously takes gaming to a whole new level. After plugging the USB receiver to the Game Box, simply press this button to instantly connect the controller to the Game Box. With its high-performance USB receiver, the Elite Pro controller ensures zero-lag wireless performance throughout your gaming session. The controller supports Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and 10 with both X and D input modes, which works really well with Android TVs and also with the PS3. It automatically detects and changes the gamepad mode based on your system. It has a rugged design and extremely precise controls, and with its 400 mAh battery, it assures you 8 hours of immersive gameplay whenever you're in the mood for some hardcore gaming. The EvoFox Game Box's remote is a unique device that comes with integrated Google Assistant. You can simply use your voice to search for a song, game, or movie with just the press of a button. The first time you press the mic button, it will go through a simple setup process to activate Google Assistant. It can then execute multiple commands, such as if you wanted to launch an app, you can just say open Badland. If you wanted to install a new app, you can say, for example, install Red Ball 4. If you wanted to play music, you can simply say play Diljit Dosanjh. And of course, you can ask general questions such as what is the weather, you can ask for a joke, the news, and much more. One big advantage with the Game Box is the unique and powerful remote control, which not only has a mic inbuilt but also has an air mouse. This is a unique way of interacting with the TV by holding the remote in your hand and moving the hand. As the hand moves, the cursor on the screen also moves. The mouse function can easily be turned on and off using this button. The whole experience is so seamless and lag-free that this remote can also be used to play games. The EvoFox Game Box comes with a number of preloaded games so that you can get gaming in no time. Games such as Asphalt 8 really come to life on the big screen, and coupled with the Elite Pro controller, the experience is even better. But that's not all. You also have beautiful games like Badland, the colorful and fun Beach Buggy Racing, and the brain-teasing yet suspenseful Bomb Hunters and Bomb Squad. Retro games are an all-time favorite and bring in a lot of nostalgia. We've all grown up playing them and we know how much fun they can be. Since these games were made for a different operating system, in order to play them on the Game Box, we need to emulate their native environment so these games can be played on Android. So in order to save all the complicated paths, the EvoFox Game Box has got an emulator called John Ness pre-installed and pre-configured to the controller. There are already a large number of ROMs and games pre-installed on the Game Box, so one does not need to worry about setting it up. It's simply a one-click access to a huge library of retro games. To set up other games that you remember from your childhood, you can read the guides that are available on the help icon. To play multiplayer games, you can connect an additional game controller. A list of compatible game controllers is available in the help section. Staying in touch with our loved ones or having business meetings for work, video calls have now become a norm. The EvoFox Game Box takes this to the next level and makes the call experience more lifelike as it allows calls and meetings to be attended using the big TV screen. This means that one can use the inbuilt mic from a distance and watch the video on the TV. The only thing that's required is a webcam in the case of video calls, but for audio calls, no extra hardware is required. Popular apps that are compatible with the Game Box are Google Duo for audio, and for video calls, there are however apps like Skype, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom, which can be downloaded via the Aptoide TV store. The only difference is that the Aptoide TV Store apps would require the use of the Air Mouse on occasion, but other than that, there is no loss of any functionality. We understand that the selection of games available on the Play Store are limited in comparison to the wide selection available on the Android for mobile phones. So we have also provided access to the Aptoide TV Store. You can use the Aptoide TV Store to download games and apps that need a mouse to use and are not available on the TV Play Store. Games like Angry Birds and apps like Zoom and Google Meet can be found here. The Game Box comes with Play Store support with all the games that are made for TV. There is a wide selection of games for all the genres. The racing enthusiast or the arcade lover, this Game Box has a game for everyone. The games are very easy to install as well, and it's a simple one-click process. Just select the game you like and hit install. It will be downloaded, installed, and ready to play in no time.